Welcome to Hidden Hilltop Homestead. Ignore the mess, we got a bunch of stuff going on, but we're going to start this vlog with a sale. So earlier today, somebody purchased this fall quilt. This is the orange fall quilt, which I will try to put a picture up here. And I made this last year at the end of fall, finally sold, which I figured it would. It would just take to, getting close to the next fall season for it to sell. So I have that bagged up and ready to go, and I'm going to be meeting them tomorrow. I also have these bags that I make with quilt care information, except I don't have any ink in my printer, so I had to handwrite this one. And it's just the washing instructions, and I put a couple color catcher sheets in here, so I'm going to put that in the bag, and then that's all I need to do. I will meet them tomorrow and drop this off. And then I also got a payment early, or prepayment, I guess, for the Grinch quilt, which is down here at the bottom. So that's going to be the next quilt that I work on to get finished. And then we're going to get this chicken one done, and then I have one more Christmas one I want to get finished, and then we can work on some Halloween stuff. We're starting off today with quilting this Grinch quilt. So I'm going to be doing my X's, and this is the back. It is very Grinch green, and these are my color options. They're all a little bit dark. I thought I had something lighter, but I don't. So I'm going to see what's gonna look the best. I'm not that worried about running out because these are Hobby Lobby colors and easily accessible. So it's kind of hard to see on camera because I have my blinds open. It's very bright in here. This is a pretty decent match. This is probably the lightest shade, which they're probably all gonna look the same on camera. It's pretty similar. That blends the best, but I'm not gonna have enough to do all of these today, so we'll just hang on to that. My dogs are play fighting on the floor, and we're gonna use this one. This is, guys, Riley. We have a whole house, and you have to do that in here. 1205 Sewology. This is a polyester. I've been dipping into the polyester thread, just because there's a little bit more color option with that versus just the cotton, but I do try to use cotton as much as possible. So I'm gonna start quilting these. So I'm gonna pull the colors. Actually, I'm gonna separate all the squares into similar colors, grab the thread that I need for the top. Right, this is the thread I'm going for the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of that on bobbins. This is all white on the front, so that's gonna be easy. And then we have red, dark green, kind of like a bright green, tan, and blue, and that's it. So super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready, pull the thread I need, and then we'll start sewing. Alright, so I got 3 bobbins filled up, so now let's start quilting. Just finished all of the white threaded pieces, so this is probably like at least a third, if not half of the squares. So now I'm going to move on to the next color. all of the squares have been quilted, so now I'm just going to take them all and start laying out my design. I'll build 12 rows of 12, and then we'll get a sneak peek of what the quilt's going to look like. And then we'll pin, I stack all the rows and put a pin in them with the number. And then the next step will be assembling the rows and then sewing the rows together to make the quilt. So we're almost there.
Violently tapping on the computer like Kayla claimed she was. She said thank behavior that I noticed. She stood in that window for a little bit, looking out, kind of getting a sense for what's going on in the lobby. $1 million over the course of an entire year. However, if everybody's paying the yearly rate, MLM vibes, because at some point there's going to be more mystery shoppers out there than there's. I just am kind of stumped on this. At the very least, it pokes holes.
I'm thorough, and I'm just good at what I do, and I'm not tooting my own horn.
Good job, you passed the mystery shop. But that's not what the commenter was asking about. They're asking like, no, you said you have received a bunch.
It's cute. This is gonna be so cute. All right, we're done. So now I'm going to stack up my rows, mark them, and get them ready to start sewing together. Are all of the stacks. So each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'll just pull one row at a time, starting with 1 and go down. And I'll start sewing my squares together in rows, and then I'll sew my rows together and we'll make a quilt. Row 1 is complete. I just have it rolled up because it's long. 11 more to go. Row 2 is finished and attached.
Good.
I just finished row 3 of 12, so we're a quarter of the way done. And this looks super cute. Sorry, my phone's causing a shadow here. But I think it's adorable. This is gonna be very pretty. My mom is actually getting this. She claimed it before I started putting it together, but this is cute. I wish I had more Grinch fabric. I don't think I have enough to make another quilt. I'll have to go look. But also finding this green is a little bit difficult now because I'm pretty sure I got this from Joann's like last year. But anyways, I think we're gonna stop our vlog here and we will roll finishing this quilt into the next one. So make sure you check out my upcoming videos, subscribe to be notified when I put out new content. I'm trying to get on a posting schedule of every Monday and Friday. Just kind of depends on if my uploading is quick or not, because sometimes I start it on a day and it doesn't finish till the next day. We have bad internet. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you next time. Bye.